थैंक यू वेरी मच। आपने मुझे समय दिया, इसीलिए मैं आपका धन्यवाद करता हूं। तो आज हमने जो नोटिस दी है रूल 267 में, उसका उद्देश्य क्या है, सब्जेक्ट क्या है और कौन कौन हमारे सदस्य नोटिस दिए हैं, उनका नाम, सब्जेक्ट, ये बताना चाहिए। ये परंपरा रही है। जैसा कि निचले हाउस में एडजर्नमेंट मोशन जब देते हैं तब भी ऐसा ही वहां पर किया जाता है और यहां पर भी किया जाता था। लेकिन सडनली जो सदस्य अपना नाम दिए हैं, अपने नाम से नोटिस दिए हैं, उनका नाम भी नहीं पढ़ते, सब्जेक्ट भी नहीं पढ़ते, ये अच्छा नहीं। और आप साहब, मैं आपका आई डोंट वांट टू एम्ब्रेस यू बिकॉज यू आर टुडे इज द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ वर्किंग। सी, यू ट्राई टू सी एवरीवेयर। द अर्लियर दे यूज्ड टू सी वन साइड, ओनली नड्डा साहब। नाउ सर, you are seeing only this table down and you are not seeing us.
What I have to see? You want me to see all the people in the world?
Yeah.
That I have to see?
That's why.
That
see,
I am not going to
1 minute.
That,
I raised my hand.
You are a very elderly senior leader. When the house is in order, I will listen to everyone. When the house is not in order, how a chairperson can listen to everyone?
Sir,
what to listen? So you are speaking, I am listening now.
No. You see, house order में लाना आपका काम है, सरकार का काम, हमारा नहीं। हम जो चीज नहीं, हम जो सब्जेक्ट आपके सामने रखते हैं।
Yesterday you have raised some points. Immediately I asked the Parliamentary Affairs Minister to respond. He responded. He wants some time, but you are not agreeing.
No, he evaded. Yes, sir. You allow us to.
See, everybody, they are.
We
they
should
never. Yesterday, the Parliamentary Minister has never said. No. Please. Yesterday, the Parliamentary Affairs Ministry has responded positively. He seeks some time for answering to your request. That we should give to him.
No time, sir. These are the urgent matters.
What
People are dying, and SIR is going fast, and nearly 12-13 people have died. And BOL, 28 people have died. Sir, this is an urgent matter to save democracy.
You put your words. I will ask the government to respond.
I want discussion should take place now only. And in the interest of democracy, in the interest of citizens, in the interest of the country.
Okay.
So I request you, sir.
Please,
you should allow.
I will ask.
You should allow for discussion. Our members are ready. We will definitely cooperate with you. We don't want to say anything. Kindly allow. So we will keep quiet. And one by one we will speak.
I will.
And Parliamentary Affairs Minister has come.
I will ask Honorable Leader of the House to respond. Sir, you want to respond? They are asking, you want to respond?
Sir, as the leader of the opposition has raised the question of the discussion and about 267, Rule 267, and as yesterday the Parliamentary Affairs Minister had said that we will come back. Today I am told by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister that very soon there is a meeting going to take place with the opposition leaders, and accordingly we will decide accordingly. That Parliamentary Affairs Minister will tell.
No. You want to respond? Rijiji? Yes.
yesterday what I said, please don't put timeline condition on anything. Now, I have, दोरा जी आपका आवाज बहुत ज्यादा जोर है. Sir,
You address
my only limited request is that I'm going to engage with the leader of oppositions from different political parties. It may be formally, informally, but ultimately it will come to you, sir, formally once we start the process of some consultation. Now the problem starts. Problem begins when you start questioning the time. Everything cannot be mechanical. In parliamentary democracy, we have to engage in dialogue. We have to engage in discussion. There are many issues in the country. You should not undermine one issue and take up another issue. All the issues are important. All the issues are important. Government, ये देखिए सर, आप चुनाव नहीं जीत पाते हैं, जनता आपको विश्वास नहीं करते हैं, और आप जो है गुस्सा या सदन में निकालते हो, ये तो बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है. लोकतंत्र में चुनाव का प्लेटफॉर्म जनता का बीच होता है. ये कल भी हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि यह बिजनेस तैयार किया गया है, हम लोग चर्चा के लिए तैयार है, लेकिन एक बात तो हम लोग औपचारिक मिलना तो चाहिए. ये टाइम बताते कि अभी बताओ कब से होगा, ऐसा कोई तरीका नहीं होता है.
You please go back to your seats. The minister has
Point of. I have a point of.
no. There is so much of disturbance. What point of order can be taken up? No point of order can be taken up. No. You have to read. Otherwise, I am going to give the chance to the other member.
What is it?
No. Your own people are making this shouting here, and you are on the point of order.
What is the point of order?
You tell me very clearly. You want to speak on the subject or not?
I want to speak, but before that I need an explanation.
No. How I can allow a point of order when everybody is shouting? There is no point of order. There is no order. Then what is the use of point of order? Let everybody go to their seat.
We have come
sit
to
there.
speak only.
Then we,
They are going. They are
No.
going, sir. LOP. They are going to their seat.
Honorable member, I will tell you one thing.
Come
Nobody can take the house for granted.
Yeah, of course.
Everybody should go by the norms of the
By
house.
the rules. Everybody has to go by the rules.
Yes, then you are occupying the well and what rules it is
They have
there?
gone back. All of them have gone back.
Let them go to their seat and sit.
ये दोनों पेपर हमारा.
Otherwise, you have to read in the.
I'll come.
Now house is in order. Bro. Tell him. बैठ जाइए. बैठ जाओ.
Mr. Chairman, all are in their respective.
No.
Sir, point of order.
Hello.
Point of order. Point of order, sir.
Mr. Tiwari, first of all, I let me come.
बैठ जाइए.
Yes. I will give a chance to everyone, provided if you are in order.
Now they are in order.
Yeah.
You start.
Sir, we have come here to speak only, sir.
Sir, now they are disturbing.
Tell me the.
Now they are disturbing.
Sir, this side is in order, sir.
Okay, you tell me the rule, or you want to speak on this?
Tell me the rule. He's saying tell me the rule.
Mr. Chairman, this side is in order.
So
Let me.
yes, as I am coming to you later, please. You tell the point of order.
Rule 239, sir. When for the purposes of explanation, during discussion or for any other sufficient reason, any member has occasion to ask a question for under the consideration of the council, he shall ask the question through the chairman. Sir, my simple question is, sir, we all gave 267 notice, sir. You dispensed off with it. You didn't even tell what are the reasons why you dispensed off, in what reason the notice
The reason has been read out by me in my answer itself, and I am rejecting it. I have told you
At least allow the
what are the
LOP.
reasons. There is
वोट
no
चोरी
point of
पे
order.
Allow the LOP.
There is no point
Allow
of
the
order.
LOP to
चोरी
speak.
पे चर्चा से क्यों भाग रहे हैं लोग?
Allow the LOP to speak.
सर, वोट चोर सरकार चर्चा से क्यों भाग रही है?
Now, Ajit Kumar Baya.